Hello everyone, this is the live demo of our final year project wireless Modbus communication. This project is developed by my partner Darshna and me Rishabh Mishra. So basically our project is to establish a wireless communication channel between a master device and a slave device. So in this setup we are having this the laptop here is will act as a master, and this is our master transmitter setup here. And here this side it is our slave side setup, which includes a display that we'll use to give the demonstration today, to display the data on this 3-byte LED display. So let's get to the setup first. Both our master device and the slave device, they have common components. The main ones are the microcontroller. Here we have used Atmega 328P. This is the NRF module that we'll use for the RF transmission, and here this is the MAX 485 trans receiver module that will be used to convert the data from TTL logic to the RS 485 standard. And same side here also at the slave we have the same components here, the NRF module, our Atmega 328P controller, and the MAX 485 trans receiver, and here this is our display. So let's get to the simulation software that we are using. This software is used to simulate the master environment for our setup. So here you can see the cursor. We can to the configuration window we can configure how various settings of our system here. So the mode we are going to select is master mode. Then from here we have to select the format, the baud rate, and the parity bit. So in this case we are going to use the RTU format. Our baud rate would be 9600, and we are using no parity bit. So once we have done setting this up, so we'll just select OK. Now when we'll turn on the system, so okay, so now we are done with the setup, and as you can see here, the communication, it is showing normal. That means our communication channel has been established. So now we'll do the data transmission step. So from the control menu we'll select the holding register. The slave ID of our device is 1, so we'll input 1 here. And now whichever value we wish to send, for example I'll send value 64656 and press send. So as I'll press send here, this data would be transmitted right on this display using it would be transmitted wirelessly. So again I'll show. Now I'll enter here 65, I'll another digit 999, so and press send. So as you can see, again the data has been changed here in 999. So this is the basic setup and the demonstration of our Modbus communication system.